Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to repair Adobe Acrobat on your Windows 11 PC. Click on Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Now find out Adobe Acrobat. Click on this three dot, Modify. Now guys, you will see this dialog box. Click on Next. Now here are three options. You can repair and you can remove, and also guys you can modify. So select repair. Repair installation errors in the program. This option fix missing or corrupted files, shortcuts and registry entries. Click on Next. Now click on Update. So this way guys you can fix and resolve Adobe Acrobat on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.